united, bright Pakistan is the need of our future generations. Irfan Haider, the emerging young writer and storyteller of Pakistan, is being sponsored by Fazza International Organization with the support of Fazza Group of companies to promote the bright future of the youth in Pakistan. As a result of skills and excellent training of parents, they will prove to be the promise of a bright future for the youth all over the world, including Pakistan.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरे वीडियो प्रोजेक्ट किताबी गपशप को स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं फ़ज़ा इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और फ़ज़ा ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज़। फ़ज़ा इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो इस वक्त पूरे पाकिस्तान में इंसानियत की खिदमत के लिए कोशिश है, और फ़ज़ा इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इस वक्त पाकिस्तान के मुख्तलिफ शोबाजात में इंसानियत की फलाह व बहबूद के लिए काम कर रही है।
Naveed Irfan Haider, the bright future of Pakistan, who has been blessed by God Almighty with the eternal abilities, it is only necessary to encourage and support these young people because they are young children. Their goals are good and their ambitions are very high. The emerging young writer of Pakistan, Irfan Haider, at a young age has exposed the green crescent flag of Pakistan to the whole world, including Pakistan. We will continue to provide support in the possible way. This is our first goal. We hope that the unsung heroes of Fazza International Organization will get to learn a lot from young people like Irfan Haider in life. Muhammad Ali Qureshi, Chairman Fazza International Organization, Chairman Fazza Group of Companies.